Do your eyes feel blurry at night? Do streetlights look like glowing stars? What if the solution isn't another doctor visit but something as simple as a drink before bed? Yes, you heard that right. A simple drink at night could support your eyes and even improve how you see when you wake up. Imagine sleeping soundly and waking up with clearer vision. Too good to be true. Stay with me. In this video, I'll reveal 4 powerful bedtime drinks seniors over 60 are now using to support and even restore their eye health. You don't want to miss this. Hello dear viewer. First of all, thank you so much for clicking on this video. I know there are so many choices out there, and I'm truly honored that you chose to spend your time here with me today. If you're over 60, or care for someone who is, then this video was made with love, especially for you. Because eye health is not just about glasses or surgery. It's about giving your body the right tools to heal itself, naturally. So sit back, relax, and let's explore what might just change how you see the world, literally. Before we begin, let me take a moment to wish you well. I truly hope that you are healthy, happy, and on your way to achieving all your dreams. No matter your age, remember, it's never too late to feel better, see better, and live stronger. Age is just a number. Your spirit, your determination, and your daily choices. Those are what truly define your future. So if you've been struggling with your vision, don't give up. There is always a natural path that might surprise you. Before we get into the 4 amazing drinks, I want to ask you a small favor. Please watch this video all the way to the end. Every detail matters, especially when it comes to your health. And if you find this information helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe. We share powerful natural tips every week, designed specifically for seniors who want to feel young, strong, and independent again. Now, let's talk about blurry eyes, and how the right drinks can help fix them. Blurry vision is one of the most common problems among seniors. As we age, the tiny blood vessels in our eyes get weaker. The retina becomes less responsive, and the muscles that control focus begin to lose strength. That's why you might struggle to read small text or see clearly in low light. Many people think this is just a normal part of aging, but new research shows that nutrition, especially what you drink before bed, can have a surprising impact on how your eyes recover overnight. Scientists now believe that our eyes undergo repair while we sleep, especially during deep sleep. That's when cells regenerate, inflammation goes down, and nutrients do their magic. So giving your body the right drink before bed could provide your eyes with exactly what they need during the night. Let's go through these 4 drinks, one by one. They are safe, natural, and may help you wake up with clearer, more focused vision. Drink number 1 is something many seniors already love. The first bedtime drink is warm spinach and carrot juice. Yes, it may sound unusual, but this simple blend is packed with lutein and beta-carotene, 2 nutrients essential for eye health. Lutein helps protect your eyes from light damage, while beta-carotene converts into vitamin A, which supports night vision. Drinking this blend warm helps the nutrients absorb better. Add a touch of lemon juice, and you've got a gentle, soothing drink that nourishes your eyes from the inside out. The second drink is flaxseed milk with a teaspoon of chia seeds. Flax seeds are loaded with omega-3 fatty acids, which help reduce inflammation in the eyes. Inflammation is one of the hidden causes of blurry vision. Omega-3 South also support tear production, keeping your eyes moist and comfortable. You can warm the milk slightly, stir in the seeds, and let it sit for 10 minutes. Drink it about 30 minutes before bed, and let your eyes absorb all those healing fats while you sleep. The third bedtime drink is chamomile tea with a pinch of turmeric. Chamomile helps calm the nervous system, allowing for deeper sleep. But more importantly, it reduces oxidative stress, a key factor in age-related eye degeneration. Turmeric, on the other hand, contains curcumin, a powerful anti-inflammatory that supports blood flow to the eyes. Together, these 2 ingredients make a bedtime tonic that not only helps you sleep better, but also gives your eyes the rest and repair they deserve. The 4th drink is what I call the vision booster. It's a mix of blueberry juice, aloe vera, and a splash of pomegranate. Blueberries are rich in anthocyanins that protect the retina. Aloe vera contains vitamins and enzymes that support overall eye health. And pomegranate is a circulation enhancer, ensuring that blood and nutrients reach your eyes overnight. Blend these together, chill slightly, and drink it slowly before bed. You may be surprised how refreshed your eyes feel in the morning. Of course, these drinks work best when combined with healthy habits. Make sure to reduce screen time before bed, sleep in a dark room, and gently massage around your eyes to increase blood flow. Also, stay hydrated during the day. Remember, your eyes are living organs. And, like any organ, they respond to care, rest, and nourishment. Small choices like these make a big difference over time. Now let's talk about what you can do next to support your vision journey. If you found this helpful, please give this video a thumbs up. Leave a comment below. Let me know which drink you want to try first, or if you've already used any of them. Share this with someone you love who might be struggling with their vision. And don't forget to subscribe for more natural, easy, and powerful tips that help seniors like you live healthier every day. Your journey to better eyesight doesn't need to be complicated. Sometimes, it starts with what's in your cup. I believe in your strength. I believe in your ability to heal, to improve, and to thrive at any age. You deserve to see clearly. You deserve to wake up excited about life. Don't let age define what's possible. Keep learning, keep trying, and keep believing. You've come this far, and your best days can still be ahead. Thank you for watching, and until next time, take care of yourself, stay strong, and never stop seeing the beauty around you.